Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to make a beautiful butterfly with paper. It is really very easy to make. I do hope you will enjoy watching it. So let's ready with the materials we needed.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Butterfly is ready to fly. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my video first. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.